Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a complete review of the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificates offered on Coursera. Now, the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificates is known to be one of the best entry-level cybersecurity certificates for those looking to break into the industry and start their learning. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys a complete review of what to expect when it comes to the course content itself, the course cost, and then also whether or not I would recommend it for you to start off in the beginning of your learning journey in cybersecurity. I'm also going to walk you guys through some of the new features and improvements when it comes to the course content itself. If you want to learn more about this certificate, I'll leave a link in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out as well. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ben and I make videos about cybersecurity and my journey throughout the industry, so make sure you guys subscribe and join the family. We're on our way to 50,000 subscribers, and also be sure to like the video as it helps out my channel a lot. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the target audience of this certificate. So this certificate is geared towards people with no background in computers, IT, or cybersecurity. You don't need to have any prior experience or background in any of these fields in order to get started. One of the other main benefits of this certificate is that it's completely self-paced and online, so you can take it from anywhere as long as you have some Wi-Fi with you. So if you're someone who is in high school, college, or working another full-time job, it's really flexible and you can fit it around your own busy schedule. So moving on to the cost of this certificate costs $49 per month, and you only pay for however long you take to complete the entire certificate. So if you complete the certificate in 1 month, you only pay $49 for the entire thing. One of the main benefits of this pricing structure is that you don't have to pay a lot of money in order to get started. You only pay $49 per month and you have full access, unlike the other entry-level certificates who require you to pay hundreds of dollars up front in order to just get started. So this is perfect for someone who wants to get a quality education for an affordable price and who wants to get started learning in cybersecurity. It's also great for someone who is unsure whether or not cybersecurity is a right fit for them, who just wants to learn the basics and see if it's really something you're interested in. So this is going to be a perfect place to start if you're in that situation. So now let's move on to the content of the certificate itself. So what you should expect to learn when taking this certificate, what skills you'll learn, and then also some new updates and improvements that they've made with the certificate curriculum itself. So for the course content itself, you're getting taught by Google professionals. So these are people who have experience in the game, who have knowledge, and who are really good at teaching. The course content itself is comprised of video lectures, readings, quizzes, and labs. So you're getting a mix of hands-on experience as well as theoretical experience in order to make sure your education is well-rounded. The certificate itself is comprised of 8 different courses that go over 8 different concepts in cybersecurity. These 8 different courses contain multiple modules that contain readings, video lectures, and quizzes and labs, and free response questions in order to make sure you understand what you're learning. So let's go over the 8 courses and what you should expect when taking them. So the first one is called Foundations of Cybersecurity. This is where you'll learn the basics of cybersecurity and why it's necessary to have when it comes to protecting an organization. Number 2 is called Managed Security Risks. This is different frameworks and controls and how it affects business operations. Number 3 is called Networks and Network Security. This is going to teach you the basics of networking, how that works, and then also network security and what goes into that. Number 4 is called Linux and SQL. This is learning the basics and foundational computing skills, as well as using SQL in order to query different databases. Having these skills like basic Linux experience and also SQL is going to be really important when it comes to helping you find your first job. You can add these to your resume, and also when it comes time for interviews, you can say that you have some basic experience and understanding when it comes to these different skills. At number 5, we have Assets, Threats, and Vulnerabilities. This is going over what goes into defending an organization's assets when it comes to threats, risks, and vulnerabilities. At number 6, we have Sound the Alarm, Detection, and Response, really understanding the incident response lifecycle and how that works. Next, we have Automate Cybersecurity Tasks with Python. This is going to be really important as well, because as someone who is working in cybersecurity, being able to use Python and automate different tasks is really useful and can really set you apart from everyone else in cybersecurity. Number 8 is called Put It to Work, Prepare for Cybersecurity Jobs. This is going to understand how to engage with the cybersecurity community and also start preparing for your job search in cybersecurity. Now, with the new refresh and update of the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificates, they also now offer AI modules in course number 8. These AI modules walk you through how AI can be used and utilized in cybersecurity, and also how AI can be used as a cybersecurity professional. AI already plays a large role when it comes to our daily lives and productivity, and it's only going to continue to have a larger impact as we move on into the future. The reason why I find these AI modules so valuable is because of the fact that when it comes to cybersecurity in the future as we move forward, being able to have hands-on experience and understanding how AI works when it comes to having a cybersecurity job is going to set you apart from everyone else. This certificate is going to explain to you how AI works and how it can be used in cybersecurity, but also give you hands-on experience in using AI in cybersecurity as well. The AI modules are going to show you how AI can be used to simplify complex cybersecurity frameworks, how to identify bugs in code and also refine your code to make it more effective and actually work, and also help you prioritize threats and alerts. So overall, you're getting an excellent foundational understanding of different concepts in cybersecurity. You're also getting hands-on experience with different tools and skills that are really important when it comes to finding your first job in cybersecurity, like Linux, SQL, and Python. And also on top of that, you're going to get a really good foundational understanding of how AI works and how it can be used to make you a more effective cybersecurity professional. So in my opinion, the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificates at the price point and what you're getting out of it is one of the best entry-level cybersecurity certificates on the market right now, and I would highly recommend you guys consider looking into it as well. If you guys want to check it out and learn more about the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificates, I'll leave a link to it in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out as well. With that being said though guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please go ahead and drop me a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you guys want some more short form content and career related content, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at cyberwithben. With that said though guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.